Hey camera, this is hot water. It's also cold water. This is off. I know this is off. I know this one is shut off. Anyway, I got a monkey's wrench, I call it. I put it on. I muscle it. I'm gonna have to go to the store. Just bring this to them and change it all out. I could just change the seating if I wanted to. As you can see, this is the one that's coming out. I'm just going to get rid of all this. So let me just muscle this bad boy off. I won't be able to get this on here. And so I got a big one. Now I should be able to get it off. I'm not going to waste funds just by replacing the small ones. I gotta shut my cold water off. But there I am. I'm going to go get another one. I'm not going to get one. I'm going to go get two. I'll be back. However long it took me to start the video and put this bad boy on. That's like $200 to do that work. And this only cost me $7. If I was to call a plumber in, man, let me tell you, I'll probably be paying $75 to $100 just to have them come in and look. So yeah, no more leaks for the next 75 years. Ooh, who's flushing the toilet? What's happening here? Look at that bad boy. It goes on. Make sure this is open. So this way, when you put it on, the water will come out. All right. Time to monkey this bad boy on now. One more revolution, I'm good. Cold water always goes through hot water, because it's never boiling hot water. So yeah. Dirty water, man. That is hot water. No more drips. The only thing I need to do now is put this bad boy on. So there you have it. I did a hot one. Now you go do the cold one. I'll catch you on many other how-tos. Thank you very much, camera, for doing a good job. See ya!